Hey guys! Today is a hot, lovely summer day. For me, this kind of days means barbecue. So I want to show you guys how I prepare and grill my beef steak on my gas grill. First, I add some sea salt together with cooking oil and give the meat a good massage on both sides. Some cooking oil just to keep it moistured. Let it rest for 5 minutes. The next step is to heat up the grill. Warm it up to around 200 degrees. Too high temperature will probably make the meat too dry. During the time the beef is resting, the grill is heating, I'm gonna melt some butter, which I will brush on the meat later on. I will put some rosemary in it and the red onion. Put the steaks on the hot grill. Don't flip them until they can be easily moved. That way you will get a beautiful pattern on the steaks, which means that side is done. And then I brush on the butter I prepared earlier on the steaks together with the onions. To preserve the natural juices of the meat, do not poke it or stab it with forks or knives while it's cooking. Always use tongs to turn your steak. Here I'd like to have a well-done steak. And it's also important to do not turn your meat too often. Constantly lifting the lid will cool off your grill and cause your steaks to cook more slowly. And it will be harder to maintain a steady temperature. I season it with Santa Maria's pepper mix. Okay, it's already looking really delicious. While the steak is cooking under the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and pick some salad leaves that I planted in my own garden. And I pick some zucchini flowers. They're so delicious when you fry them together with butter. They just melt in your mouth. If you haven't tried the Sushini flower, really, please try it. Now I go back and check my steak. They're done. Wow. These sausages for my daughters. Wow. There is some butter left with rosemary. I will fry my zucchini flowers in this butter. Again, not very high heat, just medium heat. And you don't have to fry them long. Just couple minutes. Make sure they get the seasoning on. Here is my freshly picked salad. My homegrown tomatoes are not completely ripe yet, so these are from the supermarket. The fried zucchini flowers goes into the salad together with some raw onion. My family love onions. Season the salad with some sea salt, olive oil, pepper mix, and balsam vinegar. For the meat, oven-baked potatoes goes really well together. Ta-da! Dinner is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will be uploading more videos soon, so make sure to subscribe and please give a thumb up. Take care until next time.